Cordial greetings, tutor and colleagues. My name is Juan Pablo Merchan Garrita, and now I am going to present a place that you should now call it Paipa, a beautiful and unmissable city. Well, first in the itinerary, in the day one, first we will take a bus to reserve the rooms at the Sochagota Hotel, where we will have a breakfast as well as being able to take a boat ride on Lake Sochagota. Then we will take the bus and we will go to the restaurant La Roca, where we will have a lunch and you will be able to taste a delicious lunch. And later we will arrive at the Ciénaga de Vargas, where we will take a tour with a guide, and you will know the history of the emblematic place. At the end of the tour, we will go to the hotel to eat a delicious dinner and rest. In the day two, after having the breakfast at the hotel, we will board the bus and it will take us to the thermal complex of Paipa, where we will enter the ETP Paipa, where you can swim and enjoy the resort pool. Here it is quiet and you can meditate or ask for a snack and take a sunbathe. Then we will take a bus and go back to the hotel. In the day three, after the breakfast, we will go to the enter of the municipality on a walk where we will know the most representative place of Paipa, such as the main park, the Shell Park, uh, and this is places you will enjoy the local gastronomy, where you will eat almojábanas, dessert, and many others delicious. Then we will take a bus to finish the tour to this beautiful municipality full of history and places to enjoy. We have new entertainment plans, which are option one, a rental of a pedal boat in which you can see the view of the city from the calm of the lake. Or option two, an equestrian outing on the Village del Salitre, where you can have deeper contact with nature. This is all itinerary, and now this is the coast. One night at the Sochagota Hotel for 473,000 Colombian pesos, for 2 nights, 926,000 Colombian pesos. Another cost, for example, pedal board ride, 30,000 Colombian pesos, equestrian ride, entrance to ETP Paipa, lunch cost, breakfast cost, and dinner cost, and the most important, the transportation cost by person. This is in 50,000 Colombian pesos. This is the whole presentation for the beautiful municipality. Thanks for your attention.